Hey guys! Today let's learn how to add an angle link on your Facebook profile. So this is gonna be pretty easy guys, because what we need to do first is to launch the angle application. And once we are already here, I want you to proceed with tapping on copy link. Now, the link is now copied. Next, let's proceed to our Facebook profile. Next, let's tap on the menus, and then it were profile, and then tap on edit profile, or just tap on the three dots right here, and then tap on edit. Now, what I want you guys to do is to proceed with tapping on your bio, and then entering the link through here, and then tapping on save. Was that easy guys? To proceed with adding your angle link over on your Facebook profile, so that however you views your Facebook profile will see that link and also have the chance to enter it and use it. And that is all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.